Hello, welcome to Backyard Biking Bros. This video is part 2 of our trip to Buffalo Creek. We are still riding on the little Scraggy trail just like in our last video. Speaking of our last video, make sure you check it out. It should be in the top right corner. As you'll see in this video, we are getting to the downhill part. Jackson and I really enjoy this trail for its downhill sections. It's a lot of work to get there, but it's totally worth it in the end. We will definitely be back to ride this trail in the future. I would really recommend this trail to anyone who is in the area and is okay with a big climb. If you like this video, make sure you show your support for the channel by leaving a like and also subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the video.
Alright guys, so we're getting close to the end of the uphill. About to hit the downhill part. There's a tree in the way. I don't know why. We have had a couple of pretty big windstorms recently, so who knows. Let's go under. Yeah. What? Okay. Yeah.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the how close it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye. I laid awake just begging to let go. I almost got to suicidal thoughts, but you stepped in. An angel sent from heaven showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down. I can't breathe and I don't wanna die. Can we stop this gravity? 'Cause I don't wanna say goodbye. gravity. Gravity.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Counting like the 4-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
Juice box.
Music bed.
Junkie juice box. Mother lover, you gon' love this. Graduated from a rebel to a revolutionary in my area, they love this. I'ma wreck it like I'm revving the engine. Heaven's ascension, every dimension, give me attention. Look at my soul, look at my heart, look at my hope. Got the world on my back, but I carry it though. Tell them God got my hand, I ain't letting it go. I came from the side of the ocean. Swim with the best of them, I can't deny I was chosen. Yeah, it's the Miggity Mac, milking the mic. I don't think I'm giving it back. Living unlimited winnings, that's a limited fact. I mastered this. this. Ain't no coming after this. Resurrected from the dead like Lazarus.
I just gotta go off on it. I just know to put the sauce on it. I don't care about the cost on it. I just gotta get lost on it. I'm just trying to break loose. I'm about to light the fuse. I just need me a cup. I'ma pour me the juice. I got the juice now. I got the juice now. I got the juice now. I got the juice. I got the juice now. I got the juice now. I got the juice now. I got the juice.
Hello. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome it. Let me take a moment and introduce you to some better men. A veteran like Letterman, but still next wave. Never see me off air, cause you know my best days are ahead of me. The editing and pedigree is all in one. Rip every single head off, but it's all in fun. The competition don't exist, we don't follow them. They follow us, hoping they get a glance of a better me. See, I got the juice, I got the crackers, I got the wine, but they got it backwards. Whoever thought that religion could be this good, but don't turn all of us rappers to pastors. Communion, the union of dopeness is plastered all over the wall, and they ain't even ask, cause my God is the Father. You know we came after the gangsters, the orphans, and all of us bastards. Adopted, and now some options have been presented to me. I'm like an automatic weapon on a mercenary. They just wanna see the blood, they don't wanna see the heavy heart attached to it all, even though I'm good and ready, able to deliver whatever the situation is calling for. I'm capable of more than playing roles. Awkward, then it's our turn to do the opposite. Now it's very obvious who go their own.
I just gotta go off on it. I just know to put the sauce on it. I don't care about the cost on it. I just gotta get lost on it. I'm just trying to break loose. I'm about to light the fuse. I just need me a cup. I'ma pour me the juice. I got the juice now. I got the juice now. I got the juice now. I got the juice. I got the juice now. I got the juice now. I got the juice now. I got the juice.
Pick 'em out, pick 'em off, pick 'em up. Tell 'em pick a team, like I got the juice. Tell 'em pick a scene. High IQ, kinda like Raheem. Used to show up the class like what have I seen? You should do the right thing, kinda like my team. We some laid back dudes with some really high dreams. Walking through the tunnel, then we flush our pipe dreams. Everybody wanna live, then you bite ting. Now the boy that started killing it, and everybody feeling it. And everybody want a little bit of lightning, boy. I got the plug if you want the power. He makes the rain, boy. You want the shot. Let me see my wife first, might take a nod. Step out my bathrobe, had to take a bath. I got the juice, I give the goosebumps. I am the proof, I got the power.
I just gotta go off on it. I just know to put the sauce on it. I don't care about the cost on it. I just gotta get lost on it. I'm just trying to break loose. I'm about to light the fuse. I just need me a cup. I'ma pour me the juice. I got the juice now. I got the juice now. I got the juice now. I got the juice. I got the juice now. I got the juice now. I got the juice now.